Oh. Guys, we're about to board. Come phone. Come phone. We are now. Ndinototora iwewe. Siyamba tangakwira. Chimonitora. Svika mangu. Switch. Yangu notora shama. Oh, 1 or 2 pictures. Picture. Yeah? You're angry, no?
Sure, English. Good take off. So guys, now we found a taxi. We are now going to Dures. That is the place that we are going to stay. So it's around about 30 to 45 minutes. Let's see how many minutes to reach Dures. I'll see you. We're gonna take you through the hotel. We're gonna do the hotel tour, our room tour. Not today, but that is one of the videos that we are going to do. So I'll see you, right? Yeah. During the way, we'll be showing you also some the road and the buildings. So you also speak German, right?
No, speak Dutch. Sorry.
You don't speak German?
Alex, good. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen, bitte. Yeah,
Only
that's...
that?
Dennis. Ulove. Kanaruge Fura. Mirage.
Ah. So for 37 years, you have not been speaking in Germany?
My friend Imi. My friend Kosovo. Resident Germany, Heidelberg.
Heidelberg, yeah.
Close to Heidelberg.
Yeah, 3 hours from Bielefeld. So how is the weather here in Tirana? Is the weather good?
Tirana good, yes.
Okay.
Yes. But Tirana no beach. Dures beach.
Yeah, we're going to Dures. Yeah.
Address for you. Ambient super fantastic.
Fantastic, nah?
Yeah.
We looked it on TikTok. We saw it on TikTok. Yeah, that's why we want to go to Dures. We wanted also to stay in Tirana. Yeah. So guys, maso insurur saka safe guaranteed mapiravira. No complaints. Kana take driver dotaura aiwa anenge achiziva zvibozi ndoko anofambira kachenda. So aiwa mapiravira. My takes out, they're so nice, they're good, and they are smart. Guys, let me show you. And they're cheaper. We thought it's gonna cost maybe something like 40, 50 euros, 70. But it's cost only 35 euros, and it's 3,000.
Which is accurate to what people were saying.
What's your name, my friend?
I'm Tafadzwa.
Fatwa.
Tafadzwa.
Tafanswa.
Richtig, genau. Yes.
Lady?
Yes.
Natasha.
Yeah.
Natasha
Nice
is
to meet you.
Natasha is
Alban.
simple. Alban, huh?
Alban, yeah.
Nice
Okay.
to meet you.
Baby, no baby?
No baby.
So
No,
that's
not yet. Not yet. We are still young.
my baby, 25 years.
25.
Ah,
So
I'm
so
25 too.
so you are our
Two.
father.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you are our
Generat,
father.
one generat.
Yeah. Marvelous. Fantastic. This is mine. Outside. Did they check outside? Hi, how are you? One. Oh. Vlogger papi ka. Aha, santo bude. Wani outside, mo ro ne panza. Nice. I'm starting liking it. I'm starting loving it. I'm starting loving it.
Loving it or you're starting to love it.
I love it.
It's a 5-star hotel.
6-star.
Cook.
Panza kanyo wa
Idea.
6-star. Te yangu.
Just in passport.
Yo passport yako.
That's one of them.
Santo tuntu da fana badra tax and school. Where? Here? It's already paid, Shama. Thank you very
So,
much.
in the price of the room, you have included the breakfast that is from 7:30 to 11 in the restaurant in front of us.
This restaurant?
Yes.
Okay.
Spa and indoor pool in -1. Outdoor pool in Aquabella Resort. Also the sofa beds in our beach area and a men's beach bar.
Okay.
In the room, you have free only coffee, tea, and water that are on the table, and other things are with extra bill. For anything else, you can call reception 100. Your room is in the second floor. 220, it's your room.
220. And the service hotel.
You have to do please to see that you are our guest.
What?
Can I?
Okay.
It's okay here?
Yeah. So I have to wear this all the time.
If you don't want, you can take, but don't forget to take with your cell phone and all that phone at the beach. I know that this.
Okay, alright. So you can offer dinner also here?
Yes, you can eat dinner in our restaurant, here in our restaurant at Aqua.
Okay.
Also near our beach elements, beach bar, wherever you want. The restaurant is open until 11.
Until 11. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you
Enjoy
very
your
much.
stay.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's the second floor. No, that's floor.
We can change it. Gonna shoot on last floor. Uno.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello. We are so excited.
And let's smile.
I think this direction.
This one?
I think so.
That's
201. Then 220 is here. 207. 212. Okay, Uma even number 220. So ours 220. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Guys, we're just surprised also that next worker card.
Oh.
So guys, he cheated.
What's my wallet? Where's my phone? Therefore, do you have my phone?
Hmm?
Do you have my phone?
Do you want to phone? Como se me lets just roubar a name, man? What?
Let's literally open the door. You see, when he doesn't know what he's doing.
I don't know about it.
Anyways, guys.
Oh, that's my foot. Guys.
Let's see.
Husband Ibanisco. Ibanisco card. I'm from Obairi.
You see?
I'm not told. Have you ever, guys, whereby is it a Gumbakwe? Yeah!
Guys,
What about the view?
let's see the view. Is it the one we want?
This is the one that we wanted with the
He opened the door. Wow.
wow, Zenshin.
Can you see?
Wow, this is nice.
Can you see that? Beautiful.
Guys, this hotel is massive. Guys, this is a massive hotel, guys. I'm telling you. Trust me.
They have a wood dinghy, man.
Hey, what?
Wood. It's nice, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I can do it.
I'm not part of this, though.
Guys,